If we can build that trust with our school and our community where they're going to get high quality workers, and they know they're getting workers that have the soft skills that employers want. They want integrity. They want hard work, grit, right out of the gate. They get to take their last year at school and integrate with their community. They get to serve in an area they might be interested in and make those connections. And our YA recipients couldn't be happier. They love our kids coming. They look forward to them. They ask us, do we have more? And they just want their businesses to grow. So what we did is last year we set out to help connect our community and maybe graduates, past graduates of our school, and community members with our students. You see, they're in school and they're learning how to go out and be a professional, a hardworking tradesman, manufacturing alliance partner. They're looking ahead, and we thought, what a great opportunity to bring the people that are already out there back into the school and say, hey, this is what I do.
I think it's really important for younger students to get exposed to all areas. However, manufacturing provides a lot of opportunity in Northeast Wisconsin, and our students don't necessarily know what happens in a manufacturing setting. They have these preconceived ideas, and I think by showing our students what it can be like and what opportunities they are, they're more likely to take advantage of some of the other things we offer and also get into manufacturing. So Northeast Wisconsin School Innovation is a proficiency-based school for students in grades 7 through 12. Proficiency-based means it's about what can you show me. It's not about sitting in a seat for a certain amount of time. You have to demonstrate that you're learning skills and can apply them. That's the only way through graduation. Unique to our school is we have a partnership with NWTC. Our students starting in 7th grade take classes on the college campus taught by the college professors. So they're getting really exposed to post-secondary education. So we focused last year on our 12th grade program, which we call the Academy. So students would go to school part of the day and then go work in a manufacturing setting for up to 4 hours a day. Many of the students who participated in the program then worked full-time after that with that company. So it's an opportunity for companies to come meet our kids, for our kids to get real experience in employability, interviewing, staying on the job, having success, troubleshooting, and making sure that they're having a successful go.
There's a workforce shortage in manufacturing, and that shortage has really led us to think of new creative ways in which we can help fill that gap, that workforce shortage. So partnering K-12 and manufacturers together allows for our students, who are your future workforce, to really take a look and determine what are the opportunities in manufacturing. It's a high wage, high demand, and high paying careers, and we need to get our students into those facilities to see that manufacturing is a viable career opportunity. Annually, we serve over 1,800 students in the CESA 6 consortium. We would not be able to do what we do as a team and at CESA 6 without our local manufacturers, without our employers, but also with the educators being a part of the process, encouraging their students to take those opportunities. I think one of the things that I enjoy the most is really seeing the growth in the students that enroll in our program. As we work with them throughout the year, it's educating them on career opportunities, educating them on what's next. Is it going to be the workforce? Is it going to be a 2-year technical college? Will it be a 4-year college? But also making sure that the parents are educated as well on what those opportunities are. What does that look like long term?
At our school, we strive to provide students with career experiences. Some people call them field trips. Our career experiences, we bring students out to see what people do in the types of careers that they're trying to aspire for. The Little Shoe Career Pathways Academy is a career pathway charter school. Students get in highly engaging curriculum. They have opportunities to be out in the community, out in business and industry, working with our business partners and experiencing what it's like to have a career in manufacturing or engineering. Skills USA is a partnership of students, teachers, and industry working to ensure America has a skilled workforce. It is the way that we connect our students, our curriculum, and our business and industry partners. There's a lot that we do that is driving and helping students realize that there are really good paying jobs that don't involve going to college.
Our whole world is about giving students experiences that they can transfer outside of the four walls that we have them in, right? So having manufacturers come in and talk to us about why does science matter? Why does ELA matter? Why does math matter? Tesla Engineering Charter School started We're 20 plus years ago already. A regional technical school was the idea originally. And so all these school districts in our area got together and said, yes, we're gonna do this. We have a FIRST robotics team. So FIRST stands for Inspiration, Recognition, and Science and Technology. And we have about 30 professional mentors who come in, and essentially our students get an in-house internship. So instead of students having to take that time out of their day to travel to the manufacturers, they get a chance to come to us. Having those community representatives come in, and oftentimes they're working with students one-on-one, one-on-three, in a smaller setting, and be able to explain to them, why do you need to understand Ohm's Law? Well, here's how I use it every day at my job.
Dual credit offers so many great opportunities for kids because obviously it provides the chance for students to take high school courses that are really Fox Valley Tech courses. It's their teachers teaching Fox Valley Tech college courses in their high school. The courses are free to students, but the best part, I think, is that it gives them that opportunity to sort of sample different career areas and gives them free college credit, gives them the chance to sort of move around in a pathway to figure out if it's a good fit and if it's their passion, and if it's not, to switch and pivot and do something else. We're so proud of our campuses and how constantly they're changing and evolving and how nimble the technical college system is to be able to respond to what's happening in the economy and into the job market and then provide those opportunities for our students. Each year, Fox Valley Tech serves almost 7,000 students in dual credit. So we're providing those opportunities to many, many students every year. So dual credit is really that great starting point where it can take students wherever really they want to go.
When I started 7 years ago, we had about 4 students in the youth apprenticeship program, ranging in all different sorts of pathways. And now this year, I believe we'll have 20, if not more. That apprenticeship program, students follow a certain checklist in a pathway to have all the different experiences by the time they graduate.
And one of the roles or ideas that Julie and I came up with was, could we do some kind of a signing day for some of our students? You always hear at the end of the year how they have senior day and they have all the kids that are getting scholarships and where they're going to colleges, but we felt like we were leaving out an entire group of students, those that were going into the trades, those that were going to the tech, those that were going into the military. So it was kind of that idea of bring them in, kind of make it like a sports signing day where you've got their banner in front of them and they're being given presents and gifts from their employer saying, hey, and you're officially signing on as an apprentice at this time. Last year, it grew to where we started to include the Fox Valley Tech students and students that were going into the military, where we just started to say, hey, these are all of our students that are also going other places, and just kind of honoring them and having their parents come in and having these groups present things to them and thanking them for their time. Fox Valley Tech has been a great partner for us over the years, and so we have many classes that are dual credit, and that allows us the kids to take credit while in high school, and that way they can transfer it to the tech school if they choose to go into those programs. Now, they've also been a great provider with us as far as working in our pathways. So we have pathway meetings every single year, and in this we ask their advice. What are they seeing? What's going on at the tech level? And we're asking them for that help, and what do we need to bring into the high school? How do we make this a stronger partnership? We understand that not all of our students at freshman and sophomore, maybe even junior level, know what they want to do, but we're trying to give them opportunities. So that way if they say, hey, I really like manufacturing, or I really like welding, that they're getting opportunities to get some dual credit for that from the tech, where we're using their curriculum to help in our high schools.